Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Focus steering wheel. Start by disconnecting the battery and waiting at least 10 minutes before touching the airbag. Begin removing trim and airbag bolts, then unbolt the center nut and use a puller if needed. Keep alignment marks visible and photograph connector positions for reassembly. Torque the center nut to factory spec, test horn and controls, then reconnect the battery. We'll cover tools, safety, and step order to make this swap smooth and safe. Gather tools like a 17mm socket, torque wrench, steering wheel puller, trim tools, and a battery terminal wrench. Wear safety glasses and use gloves when handling the airbag module to avoid static discharge. Record the steering wheel alignment, marks, and photograph connector positions so reassembly matches original layout. Work slowly and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Troubleshooting tips help avoid rework and maintain safety. If the airbag light stays on, double-check connector seating and clock spring alignment before replacing components. If steering wheel controls fail, verify pinouts and test continuity with a multimeter, then reseat connectors. If horn won't sound, confirm horn relay and ground continuity, and ensure the steering column clock spring is not damaged. Always clear codes, and perform a short road test to verify all.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.